सलामती काउंसिल में ईरानी मंदूब सईद इरावानी ने कहा कि ईरान पर अमरीकी हमले का भरपूर जवाब दिया जाएगा। सलामती काउंसिल के हंगामी इजलास से खिताब में उन्होंने कहा कि अमरीकी हमले का जवाब देने के वक्त और नौयत का फैसला ईरानी अफवाज करेंगी। उन्होंने ईरान पर अमरीका के तमाम इल्जामात बेबुनियाद करार दे दिए।
all those members who have chosen to stand on the right side of history and thus strongly condemned the act of aggression of the United States and the Israeli regime against my country. But internationally wanted war criminal Netanyahu succeeded in hijacking U.S. foreign policy, dragging the United States into yet another costly, baseless war. Iran had repeatedly warned the warmongering U.S. regime to refrain from stumbling into this quagmire. Even though Iran reserves its full and legitimate right under international law to defend itself against this blatant U.S. aggression and its Israeli proxy, the timing, nature, and scale of Iran's proportionate response will be decided by its armed